Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. Today we'll be creating this. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to support me on Patreon. You can also get access to all my premium content. So let's start. First, let's import the footage we need into After Effects. You can download the full project of the exact animation you have seen in the example, from the link in the description. Create a new composition and name it Slideshow. For this example I'm using a full HD 1080 pixels preset, with 30 frames per second, and 9 seconds long. Bring the footage into your new composition. Move to 3 seconds. Select only the top 2 layers, and click the left bracket button to make them start from here. Move to 6 seconds, select only the first layer, and make it start from here. Create a new adjustment layer, and rename it Optical Transition. Go to Effects and Presets panel, and search for Optics Compensation. Apply it to your adjustment layer. Move to the beginning of your composition, and create a keyframe on the field of view. Move to 15 frames, and change its value to 150. Check the reverse lens distortion box. Select the optical transition layer. Then click Alt and * key on your numpad. Right here, cut, and click OK. We've created a marker to define the cut point of the transition. Move to 1 second, and change the field of view value back to 0. Also, click on Edit, Split Layer, and delete the newly created layer. Now, you only have to place the optical transition layer, with the cut marker, right where your footage is changing. Duplicate the transition layer as many times as you need, and drag it like this, where the transition should be. Let's check our final animation. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create an optical transition in After Effects. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment. It would be great to know your opinions about my tutorials. Also, you can make requests for new tutorials on interesting effects or animations that you would like to learn. See you soon.